Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For primer, I am using Like Me Absolute Blur Primer. If you have open pores problem, then you can definitely go with this. And you can see my face is looking smooth. For foundation, I am using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade of I forgot. I will mention that in description box. For blending my foundation, I am using a blender cause it gives you a dewy look. By the way, this is from Maybelline. And ta-da! Now taking a color corrector palette from Mars cause I have some pigmentation on my face and Korean girls के पास कोई pigmentation नहीं होता, so I should use that. And you can see the difference. For concealer, I am using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade of Medium Beige. Notice in what areas I am applying it. Don't apply in your full face. You will look like a joker if you did this. So be careful watching this. I'm blending my concealer using the same blender. By the way guys, I also post horror challenges, horror stories, fun challenges too, so make sure you are subscribing my channel. Make sure you are not forgetting your neck. And I blended that. For setting powder, I am using Blue Heaven's finishing powder and using this with a blender, not going with a brush. I'm taking the same color corrector palette, taking a dark brown shade and filling my eyebrows with using an angular brush and just brushing up with a spoolie to make it look natural. And my two brows are filled. Time for eye makeup. Okay, so I'm using this dark beige shade on my crease. By the way, this beautiful palette is from Beauty Castle. Blend, blend, blend. Now taking an orangey shade and going to apply on the eyelid. I'm just taking a small angular brush and taking the dark peach shade which I applied on my crease and making an aguio cell under my eye. Oops, I forgot to brush off my powder. If you don't know how to make an aguio cell, just draw a line under your lower lash line. Make sure there is a distance between the line and your lower lash line. I'm just taking a fluffy blending brush to blend that cause if I leave it as a line, it will look weird. Now taking a shimmery shade on a small flat brush and putting that on the space between that line and my lower lash line. Have patience when you are doing this. Again, I'm taking the blending brush to blend to make it look natural. Now taking that golden shade using a small flat brush and applying it on the middle of my eyelid. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel. Taking the same color corrector palette and Taking a brown shade as my eyeliner with using an angular brush. एक्चुअली कोरियन आई मेकअप पे थोड़ा स्मोकी सा इफेक्ट होता है लाइनर पे, सो आई जस्ट थॉट टू क्रिएट दैट. जस्ट कर्लिंग माई लैशेस and going to apply my one of favorite mascara. Yeah, it's Maybelline Colossal Mascara. Taking a white kajal to apply in the inner corner of my eye. And ta-da! Okay, let me tell you that this step is exactly optional if you are a lover of bronzing your face. So you can go with it, otherwise you can skip it. I'm going to use a peachy shade as my blush, and it's the same palette of Hilary Tora. Don't forget to cover your nose with blush. For my highlighter, I am using Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade of Molten Gold. It suits every Indian skin tone very well. It's exactly my fave highlighter in these days. I pat some compact powder on my lips, and now I am using Baby Lips because I have no lipstick in baby pink shade. If you have that, you can go with lipstick, but I have not. That's why I'm going with this lip balm. Now taking a red lip tint and applying it on the inner side of my lips. Lastly, putting some gloss to make it look more cute. And that's the look, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for my next video. Take care. Peace.